Hello all. Welcome to the official showcase of Cosmosure. And this is a Chrome plugin that I would be walking you through. So when I go here, Cosmosure Agent V3. Okay. Cosmosure is a browser-based tool that helps you explore skincare routines, understand ingredients, and find products more easily. As you can see, we have moved behind simple tools into a high-end experience. Let's dive in. For some special facts, we have did you know that vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens and increases collagen, or retinol is a gold standard for anti-aging? I think we all know that now. So let's start exploring. Okay, to start with, we would need a Gemini API key. For this, I would go to Google AI Studio. I've already created a project here, and I would be using my 3.1 Flash key for this project. So the API key remains the same, but the model that I would be using and I would be going ahead with is 3.1 Flash. So let's activate the agent and let's dive in. Now we are inside the Agentic dashboard. Unlike traditional apps that just give you static answers, Cosmosure is powered by a reasoning loop using Google's Gemini API. On the left side, you can see our suite for the specialized tools that we have here. The first one being Search Web for real time market intelligence, Get Ingredient Analysis for deep molecular breakdowns, Check Retail Pricing to find the best value and direct purchase links. Let's see the agent in action. For this, I'm going to give it a skincare query and a query that I had from a long time. So let me ask it to find the best um, Korean skincare routine for glass skin. Explain about all the ingredients being used in the products and give their pricing. So a simple query, a simple skincare query, I explain what I want and how I would want to look at my answer as. So now I would dispatch my agent. So here, as soon as I query my query is dispatched, the agent starts thinking. It doesn't just guess it answers. You're watching the live chain of thought where AI decides which tool is to be used. Going back to the start, we have the user query, and the agent had started reasoning about this query. For every iteration, we're going to look at multiple calls of LLM, and for each call, the LLM would either give us a tool output where it's going to call a tool, or it is going to answer us, give an answer to the query that we have. So here we can see this toggle gives us the option to view the prompt, and this is the prompt that we have given. Here we are mentioning the tools that we have and also how we would want to look at the output and a few other details regarding it. So for every iteration, we're going to see that the prompt would keep getting appended to itself. And for each tool call, for each LLM decision call, and each iteration, we're going to look at different tool calls that are going to come with it. So for the first iteration, we're looking at the search web tool being used, where the query is best Korean skincare routine for glass skin products. And when this tool call was made with this query, we also have a result that the uh, API, the Gemini call was able to give us. To get a clearer view of this, we have an option called Clean View. And here we can read through the answer that it is given from the search web. So here it's talking about different products, the brands, the product types, what are the ingredients in it, and why does it actually match the query. So that's a lot of information about different products that can be used to achieve the glass skin routine. So here we have all of these products being populated. And now we go to the second iteration, the second decision call, where this time the tool that is being called is the ingredient analysis. And we are going to look at different ingredients being used, being populated through these products, and get a deeper dive into these products, into these ingredients. So the first one is snail secretion filtrate. And when I look for this ingredient name and when I'm looking to get an ingredient analysis for this, the model has come back with an answer regarding what is this product and what is this ingredient and how to use it. And again, let's look at the clean view. So here, if you see, we can see that it gives us what is the type of this ingredient, what is the benefit of this ingredient, and what is the best use of this, how to use it, and what are the cautions that we need to follow. And once we have this information, the third iteration, we're looking at getting the retail pricing. So here, we are looking at all the tool arguments, which are the products that we were able to find till date, till point. And we're going to look at calling this tool so that we can get a retail pricing and get what is the best price for these products in the market today. And here, again, we're looking at a tool call, we have product names and everything. And let's look at the result. And okay, so for each of these, again, we have got the price ranges and a little more information regarding it. What is the value tier? What are the disclaimers and everything? And now we'll go to the fourth iteration. The fourth iteration looks at giving all the prompt, whatever we have given right till now, and whatever answers we have received till now. We have sent all of that back to the model and asked it to like look for more details and think by itself on what would it do next. So here we can see it has done some decisioning, and now we have the final analysis. So we have the ultimate K beauty glass skin routine. So here we have the description, what does it mean, what is the routine we have to follow. So it's asking us to cleanse, hydrate, repair, brighten, seal, and protect. And for each of these, we have, as we have asked, we also have the retail pricing and what are the prices for each of these products. And if we click on any of these links, we can also see the prices for the actual links for these products. So here, also through what I've seen for this product, I have realized, okay, so we were able to get the gel cleanser, we were able to get the mucin, beauty of Hosen. Okay, we're able to get everything. That's good. And yeah, once I go back, now I know what products to use, what are the product links for these, what are the price ranges, and it's also giving us more expert tips for success. So yeah, that was all about how CosmoSure agent works. Thanks for watching the demo, and hope this helps with your skincare research.